Hey, welcome back to another Motion Gladiator tutorial. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to flat design a Christmas tree using the Adobe Illustrator tools. So, let's jump right in. Okay, I'm going to go to my toolbox, then grab the polygon tool, then draw a triangle like this, and we'll move it to the center of the document. And I'm going to grab my right anchor point, then we'll move it 20 pixels to the right, then the left one, 20 pixels to the left. Okay, then I'm gonna make a duplicate downwards, then we'll scale it up like this. Then I'm gonna select both of these, go to the object panel, blend options, put the spacing to the specified steps and the value as 1, then click OK. Then again I'm gonna go to the object panel, blend, make. With this method, we get the chance to achieve a balanced design at the end of the day. So let's proceed with this. Then I'm going to go to the object panel again, then blend, expand. Okay, great. Now I'm going to draw the bottom part of the tree. So I'm going to grab my rectangle tool and we'll draw one like this. Then I will move it to the center of the document. Then I will grab the bottom two anchor points and we'll give a little bit of roundness like this. Okay, let's color our artwork. I'm gonna select this and we'll go with this brown color, then select the top parts and we'll go with this green color. Suits pretty good, right? Now I'm gonna select the top part of the tree, then we'll switch to the direct selection tool and we'll give a little bit of roundness like this. Okay, now let's proceed to create these cutouts from our tree. To do that, I'm gonna grab my pen tool and I'm gonna zoom in a bit. Then I will put a line like this. Then I'm gonna select it, come to the stroke panel and we'll give a decent stroke weight. I think 10 will be enough. Okay. Then I will put the cap to a round cap as well. Then I'm gonna go to the object panel, click on expand. I make sure to tick both of these options, then click OK. Now we have a shape instead of a stroke. Okay, before going any further, I'm gonna select our tree, then bring a guideline to the center, like this. Okay, then my goal here is to snap our newly designed shape to this line, then to the guideline. Let's do it. Okay, like this. Okay, great. Then a duplicate like this, then to here, then to the center, and another one right here like this. Okay, then I'm gonna select all of these, then go to the swatches panel and click on white. Okay, great. That's how to flat design a Christmas tree. I hope to see you with another informative tutorial. Goodbye.